Hi, this is the HUAWEI Nova 11 Pro and I'll show you how to install a phone keyboard on this device. So open first the app gallery and in the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. So now just tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Tap to open the app. Click to enable in settings. Near green Apple keyboard, click on the switcher, tap twice to OK and go back. Tap to switch input methods and switch your current keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now the process is finished, so let's check our new keyboard look. And we could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.